The all-new Honda Pilot objectives to be the high-quality cheap 8-seater SUV available on the market. As the most important and maximum effective Honda SUV, it's far a chunk pricier than the brand's different SUV options, however it's nicely well worth the cash. The new and extra fashionable appearance makes it one of the first-rate searching, complete-sized SUVs on the market. The Pilot has been referred to as a brilliant alternative for carpooling, hauling across the family, or even for off-roading with the Trail Sport trim. This is to be had. It has greater to offer than its closet competition, and its many new capabilities supply the 2023 Honda Pilot and side over rival three-row SUVs. Most of the good things resides within the interior, but any other new characteristic that makes the Pilot magnificent is the new 3.5-liter V6 engine that packs 285 horsepower, 262 lb-ft of torque, and a 10-pace, computerized transmission. The drivetrain alternatives can include either FWD or AWD. The towing ability has been expanded to 5,000 kilos, and the new engine makes positive the Pilot carries its personal weight in conjunction with whatever it's hauling. Paddle shifters have additionally been brought if drivers need to power in guide mode, however will likely never be used by a big majority of three-row SUV owners. The safety features of the Pilot are greatly advanced as well. Each trim comes standard with the Honda Sensing System. This system has many great functions to decorate the riding experience and make the driver sense safer on the road. Features which includes the Collision Mitigation Braking System, Road Departure Mitigation System, Adaptive Cruise Control, Lane Keeping Assist, Traffic Sign Recognition, and Blind Spot Monitoring will make the Pilot enjoy a lot easier and comforting. The simple driving force and passenger airbags come with all present-day automobiles, however the Pilot has subsequent gen airbags that offer greater guide to defend the driver and passenger from head and neck accidents. Knee airbags were brought as properly for added safety.